there a delay for this? Let's see. Probably should change it to Creative Commons license, shouldn't I? How do I turn the chat back on? This is so sad. What's up with Patreon setup? Number 2 is doing that. I am not. Wait, toggle timestamp. Yeah, there you go. Timestamp. There you go. Pop it out. There you go. Should be there soon though. Should be there soon. Bond yield's rising, huh? People have good anticipation for this. But wait a second. Let me put some disclaimers here. Gotta make a text overlay. Do not give financial advice. Shits and giggles only. There you go. Okay. How do I even change the color for this? Whatever. Select color. Let's do black. There you go. That's perfect. They're playbacks? That's interesting. Oof, VIX actually calmed down. Everybody is so happy. Interesting. This is very interesting. It's not like everybody are happy. Everybody's very bullish on what the Fed's gonna do. Huh. Since when Jerome's statement. Interesting. Very interesting. We should probably see an oil spike, no? Let's try it. Where did the oil spike go? Oh, there is actually an oil spike. And now they're trying to push it down, huh? What are some other things we can look at? Let's see. I think Bitcoin is probably gonna trend lower, no? Let's see. VEX. No chart available. Okay, dude. Where is VIX? Let's just look at the ETF. Buying volume. There's some good qualities. Some entry buy-in on MMAT too. 11,000 shares. Let's see if it's gonna repeat this thing again. EDU 6% on a day. Time to sell some options. Let's see. Where did my EDU go? Oh my god, look at this volume. Look at this volume. So sexy. Still pushing. A lot of people still pushing. Let's liquidate. So in Hong Kong, it's a 9.7% increase. So if right now let's see, 9.7. So literally the actual cross market difference is about 12%. Interesting. Now fire sell, people buying in again. Good morning, Jeremy. Thank you. Top of the morning to you too. Wait a second. Yesterday I bought 5 shares of this thing. It actually went up, but this morning. What the? Okay. Okay, buddy. Okay. I mean, 2%. Maybe. Wait, more than 2%, isn't it? Yeah, that will be a 4% increase. You know what? Only a couple of shares. I'll take it. I'll take it. I think there's a company that want to take this company private. Pretty sure. I think now it's just halted at this point. I'll just set limit order for this thing. You can trim options for this. I don't think you can. $230 invisible support line. Let's go, boys. Let's go. 4% increase. Let's see if I can do something interesting. But the problem is every single this option we only have monthly option on EDU. Only monthly option on EDU. Look at this buy-in volume. Jesus. I would imagine TAL probably would also go and increase, right? Oh, this is even better. 11% on a day. Let's see. I didn't anticipate this much of volume on this one, actually. This is the only one I didn't enter. This is just dirt cheap right now. Yeah. EDU is just dirt cheap right now. What about that? Also about 4% increase. This is actually a rather awkward situation. Because earlier this year, a PE guy want to take this company private for $4. Not sure if still is gonna be the case. This is actually I think got killed by misleading information, because this one actually doesn't do like K-12 tutoring or like college tutoring. This one actually do like IT tutoring, like like CPA training, IT training, and all this kind of stuff. They don't really do the traditional K-12 tutoring, like it's like Kumon, but it's not Kumon. How's DD this morning? We're okay. Things are going fine. MMT is okay. I think MMT is doing okay. It's doing its like early market spike going down and got squashed down again. Squashy. What is important is, I think what we really need to do is look at EST time. So right now it's 9:40. Jerome is talking at 2. So it's 14. So in 5 hours, so 11. Let's see. At 2. 5 hours. 11. Yeah, 11. 5 hours. So Jerome's talking at 11, and we're gonna do a sort of a live stream analyzing Jerome's talk, and in about 5 hours. So you guys should come back for that. And as of right now, we're just like what you guys should do is just go closely look at VIX, okay? Because what the general market is gonna do, I think VIX is gonna rise to like around like 3120, and then you just need to closely look at it, because that just means like short termly how people perceive what Fed's gonna sort of say, because the short term T-bill yields actually went up. If you look at this, bond yield actually went up. If we go look at bond yield today, whoa, let's see, 1 month. Oh, this is yesterday's data. We want something today. 10 years, CNBC. Yeah, it opened up by 2 basis points. That just means people are bullish actually on what Jerome's gonna say. I think what I suspect what Jerome's gonna say, he's gonna be like, "Oh guys, everything should be fine, and here are some data, and we have independent data upon certain things, so on you should trust the Fed, blah blah blah, that old shenanigan stuff that Fed always talks about anyways." You see the VIX, like right now VIX is gonna squash down a little bit and just like stabilize and go up again. It's literally the pre-market saga where people are sort of panicking in their own way. I was telling, Yesterday, I was telling number 2 that this stock's gonna go up. He didn't believe me. Because I look at the chart, it hits like a local mean, like it literally hit like a local mean. And because it's part of the Wall Street bet sort of like stock that people like, so I suspected today is probably gonna jump up. But I didn't have any liquidity, so I didn't go in. And also number 2 just doesn't like those meme stocks. Not anymore. If you look at AMC, it's just 3771 is like a stabilization point. If it doesn't stabilize until this week's end, that just means option chains. There's some upper option chain also got blown. So it's not really looking so well for the apes right now. So sorry for those of you who are holding it, but that's just what it is at this point. But what is great about this is, well, it's trading above $60 moving, 60-day moving average. Not really trading above, it's like right at the threshold. That's why 3771 is important, but let's just see what's gonna happen at this point. VXX. See, VIX got squashed. Now VIX goes down, goes up again. Let's look at this. People still super panicking, huh? Panicky boys. Let's see if my stupid $33 VIX call is gonna be in the money. Let's see. I doubt it. I doubt it. Do you see education stocks rising when schools go back in session? Poo Poo Powell speaks again today. Lucky us. Ha ha ha. Funny. No. I don't see education stocks rising when school goes back in session. I actually see them going down when school goes back in session. It's like a complicated cycle, depending on what the government really wanted from that policy change. I'm pretty sure the reason why they did the policy change wasn't as, not really, how do you say it? It's not really like pure-hearted. Let's just say it's not as simple as we thought they were doing it for. There are political reasons. There are like broader international reasons that they did that. But also at the same time, what you have to think about is like it doesn't really matter where students go, because right now what we are trading is we're literally trading on the fact that maybe, let's just say, maybe the fact that they still have like a a steady stream of students like constantly go there and study. And if you have ever studied in the CCP, not really CCP, if you ever studied in China before, you will know that without doing tutoring, there's no way you will survive. Like there's no way you will actually be good at what you do, because it's all about constantly studying ahead of everybody else. Ooh, oh my God! Look at that morning wood. If we go back to look at the 5-minute chart, that would be so sexy. You see this morning wood thing going on here? It'll be so sexy. You see, people have a lot of buying order as 3122. But anyways, go back to the school thingy. So you have to sort of have supplementary tutoring sessions for you to survive, to get good grades, for you to like be the typical Asian, right? You gotta be like good at school, good at math and everything. How do you think these people are so good at math? Or how do you think these people are so good at what they do? Because they took a bunch of classes after school. And then they have a constant stream of students that they're just loyal. Like no matter what they do, increase price or whatever, they're just gonna come back. So the demand is elastic, okay, or is inelastic. So that will be a constant stream of revenue. So even if we took a discount, right now the stock price right now is traded literally half of what's its potential book value, or traded half at where its revenue multipliers are at. So even with the policy change, this stock worth at least $4 right now. This thing, okay, EDU is worth at least $4, and if you go look at this one worth at least $4.2. So this is traded as a huge discount right now. And if you look at EDU actually has a Hong Kong portion, and right now the American portion of EDU is traded 10% less than the Hong Kong portion. And also, if you look at TEDU, this one is also interesting because a private equity group want to take this company private around by the end of, let's see, what's the timeline? By the end of September. So if you look at the price right now, this one actually got hit. This is collateral damage, by the way. This is not K-12. This is literally not K-12 tutoring. This is actually IT tutoring. Their primary market is in IT tutoring. Like sometimes they do a bunch of like CPA training and stuff. So they're actually for professionals or like post-college work. So like the primary tutoring situation is actually for EDU and all the other stocks, not for like TEDU. TEDU is just like, you know, they always say, okay, China's tech crackdown, so then we're just gonna, you know, a capital flight. Let's see. Let's look at Alibaba. Also, this is ridiculous. Like 179, like this day 179 also traded at discount. Alibaba at least for $200. Like if you look at Amazon, if you look at Alibaba, I mean, of course, I don't really want to, you know, talk bad stuff about like politics and stuff, but if not for political reasons, this stock will be easily at $500 because its volume online. A lot of times, Amazon buyers bought stuff from Alibaba, so it's like a funneling through volume. Let's see. I think VIX is spiking to anticipate bad news, but JP will lift their hopes and we will see a pullback. Yeah, VIX is just, you're just trading fixed short-term VIX right now. This is just it's hard to get to 32 though. If VIX actually go up to 32, great opportunity to do some option trades, but it's just doing what it is. Also, if you look at SQQQ, but Nasdaq is interesting because if you look at the actual what happened to Nasdaq, it's right here. I think I did Nasdaq futures. Did I? No, I did not. It's on my phone. So we just look at Nasdaq right now. It's trading flat. Nasdaq is trading flat. Everybody's waiting for JP today. Everybody's waiting for JP today. I think I know this is gonna went up yesterday, by the way. Because last night we were having a conversation with number 2, and I was talking about Tilray is gonna go up because the fact that yesterday it hit sort of like a bottom support where people was like, oh my god, like what's up with the sell-off, right? And then they're probably gonna buy in, and you see a huge volume spike on last night actually, right here. A huge volume spike last night, especially with after market trading and everything. But it's already too late at this point. Don't chase. Do not chase this. Do not chase this. Even if it went up by 32% today, do not chase this. Not worth it. Especially when Jerome is speaking. And MMAT just gonna trade semi-flat today as predicted. And there's nothing like there's nothing big about semiconductor. Even this is categorized as semiconductor. I'm not really sure what is the MMAT considered right now on NASDAQ. Why is VIX not working? Oh, there you go. Yeah, so you want to see VIX at $20 to see an actual sort of a panic, but right now VIX is at 19, so I'm not really worried. But yeah, let's see. This is funny. Will MMAT stock go up? What's the answer? Is equals to a long-term increase expected. 2026. Is everybody listening to my stream? I was like, in 6 years, it's at least $30. Within a 5-year investment, 700%, your current $100 investment make up to $800 in 2026. It's gonna be more than that, by the way. My forecast is 6 years. So 2027, at 2027, at least $30. My forecast is probably like 48 at least, even $50. If George start making money by the end of 2022, then you will see a huge spike up to like 20, even like more than that. But it really depends on how much revenue he can pull in with the roll to roll and how much OEMs are actually on his side at that point. But yeah, today is just gonna flat. You see this? This is funny. This is real funny. Remember that chart I drew days before? I mean, when I made that double squeeze video, I was like, there are, I think after that double squeeze video, I said there are most likely what's gonna happen with this stock is it's gonna trade like this. Wait, wrong color. It's gonna trade like this. Go down and then go like that, and then you see a spike. Institutional buy-in. Yeah, it's still within that little cradles that we create. It's just right now we're just waiting. It's everything's just a waiting game at this point. And if you really think that, you know, a short squeeze is gonna come, I can actually give you some positive feedback, or if we are in an echo chamber, this entire community is, I can actually give you sort of like a confirmation, not like a confirmation bias. Okay, if you look at AMC, oh my god, look at my chart. AMC is bad, right? Because there's too much charting. So let's look at GME. Go back. Look at this thing. It's like this period of time right here. This period of time. But because GME have too much volume, that's why this flat motion, you only see about, how many days is this? 13 trading days. Is this slow? Yeah, that's 13 trading days. Let's see. But AMC is more representative because AMC had around like 21 trading days. How many trading days we have already endured? You want to see the flattening out, so around here. This is about 12. Interesting. So around 7 more trading days. So let's see. 7 more trading days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, next Friday. Yeah, that makes total sense now. It does make total sense. But we don't know because we need big volume coming in. So sorry, I haven't read the chat yet. Let me read it. The EDU stock called AMST IPO this year around $8 a share. Now is only worth 2.09 a share. So why did that go so high for the IPO and then fall so hard? Because the policy changes. So is that also a Chinese stock? AMST. I don't think this is a Chinese stock, no. This also have low volume. Like, stay away from low volume stocks. Like, this volume is so low to an extent where nobody knows about the stock. If there's no volume, there's no liquidity. Pretty sure CEO bought in this stock like somewhere around here. So it might have some potential here, but I'm not really sure because I don't know if this is a Chinese company or an American company. Somebody in Discord was saying Weibo had us backlisted as oil and gas exploration company. Wow. Oil and gas? Oil and gas? Yeah, this oil and gas trading beta is literally not worth it right now. If you trade oil and gas, you might as well just either get some derivative of this, or I mean, again, we're not financial advisors. We don't give financial advices. Let's see if that's actually on our stream, just in case. Oh no, it's not black anymore. We need to make it visible. Change color. I want it white now. There you go, there you go, there you go. Is it on here now? Isn't there a delay? I think there's a delay. There might actually be a delay. But you might as well just get oil fund. The oil fund's pretty good. Nice change catching you live. Always keeping up. Thank you, thank you. Shout out from New York. Hey, what's up? I consider myself a New Yorker, actually. I'll stay away. But what else are we looking at today? 6%. Ooh. Oh, boys. For those of you who actually bought a call option at 2.5, it might be in a money by the end of the day, boys. So, but it's sort of plateaued. Let's see if it can push it. I think the volume is insane right now. Like, the stack up of volume is insane right now. Look at this. Look at this thing, huh? Look at this thing. Oh, look at this stack of volume is insane. This is insane. I mean, again, the actual revenue multiplier, if you do the math and everything, it's literally twice the amount of this. So the actual value. So in order for this to be even like remotely close to fair value, it has to be at $4. And divided by, let's look at the 16. So 16 divided by 2.63, almost $3. So in the Hong Kong market, EDU is gonna gap up tomorrow morning. So I think the American market might compensate for that. So if it compensates, 2.5 times. So in order for it to be fair value to the Hong Kong market, it has to be about $2.7. But I think it's gonna contest that. A lot of people are day trading right now. They are day trading and scalping right now. So let's see. There's some people think this is already peaked. So you see 11,000 shares. I'm holding it. But it's just me. Might be wrong too. I also have a $2.5 call. So let's see how that happens. Plateaued. It just pushed up 2 cents, and then now let's see if we can push up another 2 cents. This is some fascinating stuff. VIX is trading flat now. VIX will keep doing this until around. So Jerome is speaking at 11. Will be probably around like 11:30. Beforehand, like around 9:30, you probably see a spike. Because Bonio is looking great. Bonio's looking great. Everything else is looking pretty great. Nasdaq's looking great. I honestly don't think Jerome's gonna say something super bad. But let's see. Every time, what could go wrong, right? What could go wrong is always the question. Yeah, it's probably a 20-second delay. True. What could go wrong, boys and girls? See, QuantumScape also went up today. Look. I was talking about this the other day. It's trading at discount when I talked about it the other day, around like this point. But yeah, its upside is probably up until 27 or 25 to $26. But today it went up by 12%, so it went up too much. Yesterday I bought like 2 shares or something. My liquidity is so tight that it's pretty sad. What about JKS? Yeah, it's a rebound there, basically. And this Friday probably I'll see some action too. Let's see. Oof, 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 oof. Oh yeah, Lucid becomes Lucid now. Yeah. SPAC went through. People are betting the luxury market on EV. It's gonna be great. I think it's a great bet. Ooh, this is pretty healthy charts right here. There's some institutionals in here too. You can see this. There are institutionals in here. Yeah, there are institutionals in here. Lucid. What's up with... There's some political bad news for this, for RIDE, because they issued a bunch of shares to hedge fund. But if you look at that hedge fund's track record, they actually don't really do a lot of like squashing down action. They're under investigation for SPAC and under investigation for their deal with the government earlier this year. And if we all know that the SPAC floor is around $10. So it's traded at $4 less than the SPAC floor. If you believe in the actual price floor for a SPAC, where it actually costs $10 literally to be in a SPAC transaction, well, I don't know how to say it in a more like simpler words, but if you believe that, then you have a $3.4 upside ish, $3.34 upside. But I will probably stay away a little bit until it goes up a little bit more on around like 5-day moving average. If it go on top of the 5-day moving average line, then probably can start buying in a little bit. I mean, it's only $6. Even if you buy 100 shares and you play with options a little bit, it's kind of worth it. Or some people deem this a long-term investment. Same thing with this. Some people deem it as a long-term investment. I've already sold it. I sold it at 9.9. Yesterday I bought like 4 shares. 4 shares. I'm not really sure. I sold it all. Because I look at the market, I was like, the EV market went down. Like, why? I know a lot of you like Workhorse. Same thing happens here. But I have some Workhorse just like $10, so I'm just gonna hold it. Yeah, Fisker's pretty good. They also have, I think there are new SUVs coming out, isn't it? When is having volume a bad thing when trading a ticker? No, having volume is always a good thing. Check INFI. INFI. Damn, you guys like to trade penny stocks, don't you guys? What happened to this thing? Like, what happened yesterday? Like, what happened? What happened here? This is danger zone, though. This is danger zone, though. If you haven't entered, do not chase. This is danger zone. This thing is danger zone right now. Do not chase. Do not chase. If today it cannot go up to about 2.4 bucks, do not, like, even if it does, do not chase. If you just want to FOMO this, if you can buy options, you should probably own this using options instead. Do not chase. I know a lot of you are gonna be like, let's just buy like 2,000 shares, it's cheap as hell. No, do not chase, especially for a pharma stock like this. I actually don't know what they're in, like what segment of the market they're in. Do not chase. How can China market recover from current situation with the changes made in their policies? They don't. What they can do is, it's like monetary policy or something. I actually probably will make a separate video about it. It doesn't, there's no such thing as recovering, because who's really losing money is people who are trying to move capital outside of China. This is what the great leader Xi doesn't want to see that. So that's one of the reasons, the tech crackdown. Even with Tencent, Tencent, I think it's this. No, I have no idea which one is Tencent now. There's like a Tencent ticker. I'm pretty sure there's a reversal on Tencent today too. I bought like five shares or something yesterday because I think it's just ridiculous. Wells Fargo price target. Dude, you never trust these price targets. $14 until when? Like, what does it do anyways? Ooh, I just said until it goes to 2.4 bucks. Well, it did, and it's gonna wiggle around here. Because contesting 250 moving average, it's gonna contest. You see, they're contesting that. It's literally contesting. If not, then volume's gonna drop and it's gonna squash down. Ooh, they're pushing it. They're pushing it. Dude, there's so much opportunity right now in the market. Okay, EDU contested. Let's see. Interesting. Oh, oof moment for gold. Oof moment for gold. Let's see. Let's see if Jerome's actually bear good news today. If not, gold stocks gonna be seeing another spring right now. I honestly think Bitcoin went down yesterday, or like as of last night, because of Fed meeting and because of the panic sell. Because when the panic sell within like the Asian market, or like just American Chinese stock would remind people of Bitcoin, the Bitcoin situation in China. So probably it's gonna be a fire sale in Bitcoin. Let's see if I'm right, or I haven't checked Bitcoin for so long. BTC. Oof. 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 Yesterday went down by. It's only 1K, guys. It's only 1K, not that much. Only 1K. Bitcoin surge? Well, just wait until September. You might be able to make some arbitrage, like on Bitcoin right now, but just be careful. Be very careful here. Very careful. It's trading at cost. Like, it's literally, if you want to figure out what the true value is right now for Bitcoin, you need to go calculate the amount of utility required to actually make one Bitcoin, like to mine one, and the cost of trading and the cost of transaction. You will see what I mean after you do majority of the calculation. Or maybe I should make a video about it. You guys comment down below and see how that goes. Fisker Ocean SUV with solar charging capability built in the roof. Damn, Fisker fan. Wish is on the move. Dude, I make so much Wish videos, you guys don't even watch it. You see, I told you guys Wish is gonna be lower than 10 bucks. Nobody believed me. And then now it's 10 bucks. You know, almost 10 bucks. On this day, I told you guys it's gonna be less than 15 bucks. There's only like 200 of you actually watched that video, which is super funny. And number two is like, stop making Wish videos. I was like, okay. Palantir. It's just rebound day. I still hold the Palantir leap option, did I? I think I do. Future is just trading flat. Fantastic. Trading flat. If we only care about short squeezing, this is actually have short squeeze potential. This thing. Ooh! Oh my god, I sold it off like a couple of days ago. I am so smart. Oh my god. I am so smart. I sold this off a couple of days ago because I see too many people like there's too much short volume over here, and this is not on the radar of Wall Street Beta or anything. This company actually have a contract with Tesla. So this will, if you have very high risk tolerance, just maybe like, you know, like enter a small position and see what happens. I mean, again, we're not financial advisors. We do not give financial advice. Everything's for shits and giggles only, right? But in some universes, if you're a gambler, this is a gambling move. A stock went down by 35.19%, and if you look at this, it literally went down by 60% as of this week. Is there a reasoning for this? Very interesting factor here, right? Is that there has to be a reason for this, right? If there's no reason for this, it just happens like that, then there might be some insider situation coming in. So let's see. Did they reverse their S1? What happened? What just happened here? What did they do? If any security be registered, what did they do? Pre-fund warrants. What did they do? This is funny. This is some funny business right here. Funny business. Why are they required to form an S1 right now? They're already a public company, no? Sounded like you're talking about MMAT. Let's look at MMAT. No, but MMAT is different. MMAT dropped within weeks. It's different. You see the volume, blah, 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 blah. Okay, let's just be honest. Dropping to $7 as expected, okay? Like, there's too much FOMO over here. $7 is expected. And then lower than $7 for MMAT, fishy. Very fishy. But this is not as heavily shorted as AEI though. If you look at AEI, short volume. Oof, look at this. Well, relatively the same as MMT actually, but AEI is, and you see today, it's gonna be funny. Like this thing, look at this. This thing is literally at, you know what, just for shits and giggles, let me go buy 100 share of this stupid shit. Let's see, to be, as a gambler, okay. For those who are lower than 18, don't do that, okay. Let's see what happens. A stock went down by 35% on a day, and 60%, like literally 60% for no reason. You know what? I will entertain this thought. Let's see how it goes. This is for entertainment purposes only, guys. Entertainment purposes only. I would imagine GME probably went down by now, I think. Let's see. GME. Yep. I was so right. I talked about this yesterday, didn't I? During stream, like afternoon stream. Talking about GME is gonna go down. Long way to go, GME. Long way to go. Poor CEO though. The CEO of GME actually bought some options like around 180, I think. Couple of thousand options too. Poor him. Lost already money already. Pretty sad. Well, VIX is doing his thing right now. I guess I'll just pay the $50 premium and see if Jerome's actually gonna say something fishy or funny, I guess. Jerome, our boy Jerome. We love him. A $3 call is in the money. Let's go, boys. $3 call in the money. $3 call in the money. 50%, 50%, 50% increase. Implied IV 200. Let's see what's gonna happen tomorrow. This thing, this stock, $6 fair value ish, around that $6 fair value. What else do we have? There's some, like, there has to be some very cheap stuff that we can just go in or play some gambling a little bit. What do we got? What do we got? So for those of you who tune into the stream or watch that video on EDU, if you hold this far, you made about 12%. More than no, it's more than that, wouldn't it? Let's take our trusty calculator right now. Da na 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 da 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 da. Nope, you made about 21%, boys. You made about 21%. That's why you should watch those videos that nobody watches. Wait. Let's look at this thing. Dude, there has to be a reason, no? Like, why? Why I drop at the, like, the CEO got me too? Like, what's going on with this thing? JAKK gap up on earning today. Expectation is low, but I feel we will be in for a surprise after seeing MAT earnings. So here's the spiel here, okay? Let's look at this. Is it called Contravel? What is it called? It's some of the, yeah, Covestro. So I think for me, I barely have time to watch Sterling's video, but sometimes number 2 watches it, and he look at one of Sterling's video talking about Covestro. But the reality of Covestro is Covestro literally is actually Meta's supplier. So the reason why they raised their earnings, there are a couple of reasons for doing that. One of the speculation is Meta actually did enter a new agreement with them and want more parts for the AR and VR glasses, which is very just coincidentally just happened that George tweeted a lot about AR and VR. So that could be one of the hypotheses that, this is the reason why they raised their earning estimate. But there are a lot of reasons why a company would raise their earning estimate. So I wouldn't read into too much about it. Let's just put it that way. Let's look at Meta's. And I did up some like patent dirt on Meta and the Covestro. There's one of the patents that Meta owns actually is dependent on the film that this company provides. So this will be a provider of Meta's AR Air per se. And yeah, this is premium content because nobody tells you about it. I actually went in and looked at their patents and sort of dissected what really happened on what they really do with the glasses. And the sales is really a problem. Thank you so much for those of you who actually comment down yesterday for the video. The AR and VR glasses sale is what we are really worried about here. How much? I don't have liquidity for this thing. This is so cheap. There has to be a reason why it gapped down by this. You know what? My gambling addiction, I'll just buy 100 shares for no reason. Oh, oil spiked down because of powwow, huh? Doesn't matter. Does not matter. You see, Tencent was so cheap. You see, now it went up by 5% today. 5%er. What happened to oil? Wait, it doesn't. Dude, this doesn't make sense. Oil traded flat and the oil stock actually went down. What is the reason? Dividend? Is that the reason? Oh my god, my liquidity is so tight. Fuck this shit. Huh? This is some sad shit right now. Actually. What is the expiration is for this? Yeah, 9/17. We're Gucci on this. Let's see, $5 call. It's probably gonna worthless for this thing. Maybe not actually. Let's see how this goes. So cheap, dirt cheap, boys, dirt cheap. things are dirt cheap right now. There's so many dirt cheap stuff. Oh my god, look at this buying orders. Jesus. Yeah, it doesn't justify. If you guys go look at this, I actually really like this stock, by the way. It doesn't justify the dip here. It doesn't justify. It should be traded around 50, 56.41. Yes, it doesn't justify. It could be the dividend today, but if you recapture the dividend, yeah, it's 56.41 ish. This one has the highest beta packed to the brand. Actually, a lot of people want to buy HAL, but I don't really think because this thing fluctuates way too slow, and you sort of like you're trapped within this range. Sorry, I should look at chat. I'm talking MAT, not MMAT. Okay, I'm talking about toys and MAT. Keep it up. Great insight. Thank you. Thank you. ASI price 32 million. Underwriting public offering of common stock and pre-fund warrants. Oh yeah, this is why they filed their S1. 32 million underwriter. Let's check. But they actually made revenue though. Well, let's see how much revenue they actually made last year. I don't remember how much. 20, so that will be 20 million profit. So 120 million. How much outstanding share they have? $26. Trusty calculator. Because at this point, I don't trust myself. 26.19 times. What is the price right now? 2.23. 58. Ooh! Bro, this thing is cheap too. What the fuck? Sorry about my language. Dude, this is so cheap right now. What the? Wait a second. Am I retarded? What? What? 2 point. Okay, this doesn't make sense. Am I retarded? Let's look at their 10K. I think they're doing the issuance because they're trying to expand. Wait, what? Wait, let's look at the quarterly report. Thank you. Okay. I might be retarded here, okay, guys. Don't listen to me. I might be retarded here, but let's look at this. I think they're trying to expand. Let's see. What? Oh, I forgot there's a delay. That's why you guys haven't reacted yet. Whoa, this thing is actually cheap. What the? What the blaze is? Question mark? Wait, what? But how am I supposed to have liquidity for this thing? Okie dokie. Okie boy. What the heck is going on with Ford? Let's see. Oof. Oof. The oof moment. The oof moment. Gonna be a pullback tomorrow too. I can liquidate this. What else can I liquidate? Can I liquidate this thing? See, MMAT is just this is making me sad right now, okay? I also can't liquidate this. This pattern means there might be a pull up tomorrow too. Jesus. So what now? What about this? But this is long-term holding, no? Why life's so hard, no? Why? 10%. I'll be 23 bucks. This is cheap. Damn, there's no one in chat right now. Oh, this is cheap. This is so cheap. You know what? I'll liquidate this and let's do this. All right, let's see how this goes, huh? Ba-la-ba-ba-ba. Ba-la-ba-ba-ba. Let's buy. All right, let's give myself some options. Ba-la, 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 ba-la. Ba-la, ba. And I got a liquidate option for this too, because I like EDU better though. Imagine if we have liquidity. Like literally this is trading at the same price as MMAT. Literally imagine if we have the liquidity to do something like that. Because I have so much insight on the stock anyways. Jesus. Life's sad. So sad. What is our exit price for AEI? Let's just do some fundamental analysis right now. I need to look at the thing. I made about like 20% on AEI, like somewhere around this range. You know, remember when they say like when Tesla was saying that they have a deal with them? So remember this day? I bought in over here and I sold like in the middle of here. Oh, that's more than that. It's like 50, no, 100% actually. And then I sold it. I sold it over here. And then I bought in over here and I sold it over here. And then around here, around this mark, I liquidated this because I need to buy EDU stock, which is actually pretty lucky for me. So I don't need to see this dip. And I think, so they literally dipped like 60% over the week. Very abnormal considered, what's the offering price on it? what does it, when does it close? What do you mean when, what's the offering price on it? You mean the S1 offering price? Let's see. Just give me a second. I need to read this real quick. Okay. Ooh. So this year, their cost of sales. Interesting. This year, what is going on this year? What is going on this year? Did the cost of sales went up? Cost of sale. %66%. Ooh, oh my god. Guys, this doesn't make sense, guys. Their cost of goods sold for this year is actually, their margin increased. Their margin improved significantly. Their margin improved by 24% on a year-by-year basis. I think the reason why they're offering for the stock offering is because they're trying to expand. What is chat saying right now? Hey, what's up? How are you doing, Minneapolis? I love Minneapolis. I used to have this crush on this girl from Minnesota, but she never liked me. Oh, so sad. Where's the donate button? I think number 2 is on that. I think we need to make a sticker for that. And I have in par value. So, but how much amount of registration fees? Where is pre-funded warrant? How much does pre-funded warrant cost? I'm assuming it's at the price of the representatives' warrants are exercisable for a price per share equals to 125% of the public offering price, as estimated solely for the purpose of calculating the registration for pursuant. The proposed maximum aggregate offering price of this is okay, which is equals to 3% of that warrants. Interesting. Based upon AS equals to 5.551 per share of common stock. So that's like 30. Wait, how much is this thing? Where's my calculator? What stock is he talking about? AEI. Can you even trade options on AEI? Let's see. Leap options for sure, dude. Let's see. Hey, again, I'm not financial advisors, guys. I don't give financial advice. I'm just an addicted gambler here, okay? Let's see. Oh, look at this. Already increased by 2 cents. I'm just kidding. Let's see. I need to check VIX. Someone keep an eye on VIX. If it goes over 31.22, let me know, please. I don't think it's gonna happen, but 31.22 is the line. Hold the line, boys. Hold the line. Someone watch the VIX right now. I think there are 40 of you in chat. Just someone dedicate yourself to watch the VIX, okay? Or VXX, which is the ETF, actually have a leverage. Or if you're just looking at VIX, let's look at VIX. So if VIX go up to $19.2, just shout out in chat. 19.2. Okay. That one, VXX is leveraged. So AEI is 5.51 per share common stock. 6 million shares, huh? Let's see. So how much dilution that actually provides? This is overreaction. There might actually be a option play. Let's see how this works. Why is everyone trying to make these things go to the dirt right now? Like what? Oh, you can't buy options on this. If you can buy options, oh shit. You can buy options on AEI. Fuck me. Oh my god, this is only if we can trade options for this. Oh, I am so sad right now. Covered call for this will be perfect. Like even if we only have 2.5 and $5 options, cover call for this will be so perfect right now. Oh, I am so sad. This is actually not that much of let's see, AEI outstanding shares. It's getting absolutely hammered. Where's my outstanding share, buddy? Maybe I'm dyslexic. Who knows? I think I'm dyslexic. I think. Is this? We need to see outstanding share history. Yeah. Nobody cares, dude. That's 8 million. %7 short. What? Like why? Yeah, look at it. Ooh, look at this. Look at this short volume right now. Look at this. Look at this stuff. Look at this stuff right now. Oh my god, this shit is actually dirt cheap. Wait a second. Alright. Before we make any rash decisions right now, okay. Right now. Alright, VIX is not going anywhere. I guess my $100 safety call is just safety call at this point. I'll hold it until today's end. Let's look at this shit, okay? This is 5 point. This doesn't make sense. It doesn't make any sense. So how much of this dropping down volume is actually shorting? How much of this is actually due to dilution? What is the math here? Let's do the math here. Less Dexic? What is less Dexic? Alright, let's assume this is right. Where is whatever. I'll just look at their 10Q. 10Q. Dang it, I just wanna be lazy, okay? And Yahoo Finance, you are not helping me. All of the stuff that you talk about, all of the industry benchmarks that you talk about is literally useless. Nobody cares. Nobody trade on PE values anymore. Like who's gonna trade on PE values? Duh. Okay. Preferred. We're not talking about preferred. That's 8 million authorized. what is it? 20 million shares authorized, $8.57 million issued and outstanding. So how much they're issuing right now? They're issuing 6 million. Oh, that's actually pretty good dilution right there. Whoa. Theo, what you thinking right now? 1 million. %25 dilution. 34. Do the math, boys. That's 9% upside. Oh, I'm so sexy. That's 9% upside, guys. That's 9% upside. Okay, this is the point where I need to fact check myself. I need to see if I'm retarded or just everybody else's. Usually it's everybody else's. I'm sorry, I scraped that sentence actually. He doesn't get the joke. We are bruisers. Wait. Oh, I get it. Dyslexic. Oh, that's smart. I like that. Ooh. AEI has priced its public offering of 6.5 million common shares at 2.12 per share, and pre-funded warrants to purchase. No. Pre-funded warrant has to be 125% higher than the actual offering price, and I don't think that's the offering price though. We are offering 6.5 million shares of our common stock in firm commitment underwriting public offering based upon an assumed offering price equals to 5.51 per share. Right here, Philly. Right here, right at your face. I'm just kidding. You see this? You see this? Press 1 in chat. We have other things to look at right now. Come back to this. Let's come back to this. Why there's only like how many people? Why there's only 30 people watching my stream? I'm so sad. This is a 9%. This is a 9% play, guys. This is a 9% play. So if I were institution right now, I would flush it to about 2.19, which it did. Yeah, this is a 9% play right here. I'm just tied up in liquidity. Jesus. Why am I so sad? MMAT, why are you doing me dirty here, boy? Why are you doing me dirty here? Could have bought thousands of shares in EDU yesterday, or even the day when I posted this video. Why are you doing me dirty, bitch? Why? Dude, George needs to up his game, dude. Like, even my grandma knows that. You know, you gotta play the finance game a little. But low key, my deceased crazy grandma used to play capital game back in Qing Dynasty. But that is what it is. You see it? Okay, good, Philly. Now we clear it up, right? So it's no, don't put skin in that. Dude, always do small positions. Always do small position. So the offering is this. I will put it in chat. The offering is at 5 point something. 5.51, wasn't it? Wait, Philly, what was it? Yeah, 5.51. Don't. Bruh. Always small position. Don't put like 1,000 shares in there. Don't do that. Always small position. Again, I'm not financial advisor, so I do not give financial advices, boys and girls. Only for shits and giggles. Do not be rash, okay? Do not be rash. But do let me know, and I will be closely monitoring this tomorrow too. Do not be rash right now. But But if you enter 2.23 like I did, I only have like a couple of hundred shares there because I don't have liquidity. You already make like 3 cents, but this is a 9% play right here because actual dilution with this anticipated dilution doesn't match. So you probably like 5 to 9% sort of a, what do you call this? 5 to 9% quick profit, or not really quick profit. You don't really know how this will bounce back. But if you look at the short volume for this, $50, bro. $50 is only what? 20 shares? Okay, whatever you do, Charles. Whatever you do. If you look at the Fintel AEI short interest. Oof. This number used to be lower than 20 a couple of days ago. Oh, massively shorted to this morning. Massively short. Oh my god. This is actually have short squeeze potential right here. And nobody's talking about this. Why? Oh my god. Why? What? Bruh. Bruh. But you can trade option on this on Robinhood though. Bruh, nobody's talking about it. This short squeeze score is through the roof right now. Look at this shit. What? Wow. Just bring a couple of million volume tomorrow. This thing is just gonna rock it. But who knows at this point? So if you entered, you made 3 cent profit now. 4 cent profit. Let's just wait it out at this point. Who's watching the VIX right now? Yeah, VIX is not going anywhere, boys. VIX is not going anywhere. You probably can day trade this too. What are some other good prospects today? Yeah, VIX call is literally not really going anywhere right now. VIX call. My safety VIX call. Oh, so sad. Ford also have some penned up volume too. Look at this shit. Yeah, look at this. Ford also have penned up volume. Price target is over $14. People are just buying in like crazy. But the fact that if it's too much outstanding share makes it less likely to have like a super drastic up pull though. But hey, AEI, if you bought in, guys, the time I talked about it, you already made about 1.4% profit, boys. That's what we got. Do you mind sharing how you determine AEI is cheap now? Message retracted. Wait, what did she say? Come on, dude. Whatever you say. If you send hater messages, it's fine. What do you mean message retracted? How do I know if AEI is cheap? Cause it is, duh. If you look at the the share offered and you calculate the dilution percentage, you will know market is overreacting. And the fact that its underlying profitability possibility is higher than, so basically the way how their cost of goods sold decreased over 1 year. You see, I look at 4 SEC documents. No, you see me doing that, and from that you do the calculation and realize that you have at least like a 6% upside, but in reality you have more than a 9% upside right there. But yeah, I don't know if that makes sense, but. And also, if you look at this, is massively shorted today, so they have to spit it up somehow. And you can see their borrowing fee is so high. That means it's massively shorted. It's massively shorted. Or maybe I don't make sense. If I don't make sense, leave a comment down below. But it is cheap, very cheap, actually. Guys, 1.5%, guys, 1.5%. Oh, a $2 stock making 1.5%. It's actually pretty good. Let's look at where some other cheap stuff today, okay? There's always gonna be cheap stuff every single day, okay? Damn, I should start live streaming more. There's always gonna be cheap stuff. There's cheap stuff everywhere. How much reverse repo actually did the Fed do? 3 more hours. Oh, I think my my boy is moving in today, cause he got his LASIK a couple of days ago. That's why he's moving late. It's gonna be a trillion. Yeah, overnight reverse repo. It's gonna be a trillion. I think it's gonna be a trillion by the end of this week. Reverse repo. No. You see this? You see this? All the uncertainty is just panning up right now. Oh, all right, let's look at other things. What are some other things? All right, boy. See, George PR doesn't do anything to the stock price. Doesn't do anything. I just want to see cheap stuff, boys. I just want to see cheap stuff. I'm a cheap Chinaman, boys. A cheap Asian man. I just want to see cheap stuff, boys. Cheap stuff. I like cheap stuff. I buy them and I flip them. Easy gains, boys. Easy gains. Wait, this thing is cheap too. What the fuck? Sorry about my language. What is this? What? Wait a second. Oh, you see a breakout formation right here. So if you're buying right now, it's a 50-50. So tomorrow, yeah, it's a 50-50 to 68. $2 upside. Wait, where's my chat? What's up with TEDU? Will the take off sometime? Why does everybody like TEDU? Wait, let me see. Can you trade option on this thing? This is cheap too. You know, wait for confirmation, okay? Before we do anything, let's do some DD first, because it's not really gonna go anywhere. Wait for confirmation. Let's. Alright, you guys gotta fact check me, because sometimes I'm retarded, okay? Let's see. Right now we have, so everybody likes TEDU. Let's check this. So how much outstanding shares do you have, boy? 55 million. All right, boys. TEDU. SEC. No, not secondary file. No. We don't care about TED right now, okay? Let's see. What substitute you want to take a look at? KIQ? Wait, how many stocks do you guys even hold, dude? If it's a penny stock, I'm not looking at it. 13E. Ooh. Class A ordinary share. Calculating solely for purpose of determining fee. Okay, I don't care. The filing fee is calculated based on the sum of the aggregate cash payment for a proposed per share cash payment of $4 for 30 million issued and outstanding shares. What was the thing? EDU, outstanding shares. Only 30 million though. Why is that? Wait a second. Under all outstanding unexercised options with per share exercise price lower than $4 multiplied by 2.7 per share, which is difference between $4 per share merger consideration and the weighted average exercising price of 1.3 per share of such options. All right. Let's see. Can you even trade options on this thing? Oh, this is a massive speculative move right now. No, you can't. You can't. You cannot trade options right now. The amount of filing fee calculated accordance. If you can trade options for this is such a massive play right here. I don't care. Provision. I don't care. July 6th, I don't care. Notification, ADS, voting cards. That's preservation of control. Discussion. Plan a merger date as of. Okay. Let's look at this. Juicy. Juicy boys. Juicy. This is juicy. Juicy. What, $50 per ticker? I'm just kidding. TEDU might actually be a good play here. This is juicy. But how do we determine if we're gonna get buy out or not though? If let's see. Oh, there's only 29 watching now. I should stop live streaming. Nobody watches my live stream. Sad. Outstanding share. The flow is 20. Oh, that makes sense. The flow is 24 million. They're buying a float, huh? Yeah, PE guys should take this private. They should take it private. And they only have... Wait, who's the PE guys trying to buy this, though? Interesting. Interesting. So the problem with this is actually... Oh, that makes sense. Because then they don't know whether this is actually real or not, huh? Fascinating. Fascinating. But if the PE guys are buying it for $4 minus the transaction fee, if you're getting at 2, that's $1. That's $1. That's $1 profit. I'm holding 12 ticker myself. What is LCLP? Is that another penny stock? Yeah, it doesn't have it. It's probably an OTC ticker. KIQ. What is this? What the? Bruh, Philly, you gotta stop trading penny stocks, buddy. You gotta stop trading penny stocks, buddy. Penny stocks. Why is people like to trade in penny stocks? There's no appeal to me. You can buy options on penny stocks. Oh, VIX is going down. No, everybody is not panicking. I love when everybody panics. That's where you make the real bucks here. Oh, chat's quiet. Oh. Damn, another dirt cheap stock. We should just say DD channel. We turn dirt into what is it called? We turn dirt into profitable gold. We turn dirt into gold. This is what our channel does. We turn dirt into gold. Prospect. That's a 0.5% prospect, isn't it? Meow. MMAT. I believe. Why the fuck do you just not do any PR, buddy? Even though I'm making 50% on the fucking options, but still, sorry for my language. We should beep it out. We in here. We turn dirt into pay dirt. We turn dirt into gold, boys. We turn dirt into gold. Yeah, Charles. Yeah, Charles. Charles Xavier. I saw you read other people's mind, bro. They were confident in trading options. You can make like really, really safe butterfly and counterplays. Thoughts on options for Orpha? Is that the degenerative pharma stock? Wait. Yeah. This is the degen stock, bro. This is the absolute degen stock. Degen stock. My algo, when I still have another computer running algo, my algo actually pick it up around this day when it's 475, and I was gonna buy it. Maybe I should have done that. But yeah, this is just ridiculous on that day, by the way. And also, there's some FDA shenanigans going on right now. For their actual for their actual, what is it called? For their actual pharmaceutical claims, actually. But if we just look at the short-term thing, it's actually pretty dangerous right now. Yeah, this is definitely not gonna be on a recommendation list, on a watch list, I guess. I don't give recommendations. I do not give financial advice, boys and girls. Everything we say on this channel is for shits and giggles. We only pick up dirt. Okay, we're like the dirt pickup team. What's up with people talking about Newegg, bro? Newegg. I told you guys it's gonna drop. Nobody believed me. Yeah, there you go. You're like, 35 days after the merger. No, Newegg has a slightly different story here. It's just people diverting their assets because they want to see a pump and dump scheme. That's why. That's what really happens. We're still on the topic of AEI, or you guys are sick of it, even though we're just looking at dirt. Ooh, Tesla boy. Tesla boy. Tesla boy. Oh, Tesla boy. But how? But how though? But how? What's making them money? Why? How? How did they tenfold their revenue? I want to go to Mr. Cho's for lunch. You guys, that's funny. Thoughts on the option for ORPH? Wait, let me read. Sorry, I forgot to read chat for a little bit. I got a text from my friend. Also got from number 2 too. My friend was asking about Tesla, so I gotta go read their 10K. Thank you. I think 10K. For time and wisdom, we're thankful for your knowledge. Damn. Just come in and drop Safe Moon. HMBL. What is HMBL? Yeah, what is HMBL? Neo and MMAT. Neo. Neo. Honestly, Neo yesterday was a buying point. This is a day trade point right here. Neo's right here. That makes sense. So where was I? Orpha. Let's look at Orpha's option chain. Can you even trade option for this thing? Oof. This is severely effed right now. Oof. Look at this short volume. That is 6,000, 6,500, 6,500, 6,500, 6,500, 667. It's balanced. It's balanced. What do we got, boy? What do we got, boy? What do we got, boy? Dude, what is up with the $7.5 line? What is going on? Where did you guys get the idea of $7.5? Where did it go? Right here? Wait. Like Like, why? What is the reason? Tell me the reasoning here. Wouldn't it make sense to buy $5 call instead of $7? Do you even offer $5 calls? Yeah, but like, why? Also, imply vol and all the Greeks looks better that way. No, this is risky. This is risky here. This is really risky. Because it almost feels like for major averaging down. Oh yeah, or just letting you know, we found another dirt cheap stock today. It is called. We found multiple dirt cheap stock, isn't it, chat? We found multiple dirt cheap stock. For example, if you were here the time that I talk about this, you already made about 1.8% on the stock right now. But yeah, this is dirt cheap right now. You have a potential 9% upside. Let's see. Where was I at? I was at Orpha, right? Okay, so I'm reading it down. Thank you for Jensen. They run 2 to 3x. What do you mean? What are you talking about? I want to go. Okay. Yeah, see you, Mr. Chills, bro. HMLP. What the heck is HMLP? I don't see. Oh, never mind. I saw it. What the? What? Okay. Oof moment. Okay, oof moment. What the actual F? All right. What does this stock do, guys? Fill me in, chat. What does HMLP do? Hey, let's go. Let's go. Yes, we are holding strong on MMAT. We are holding strong. Sorry about that. I should have go back and look at it. Yeah, it's gonna just trade flat at this point. Should be happy if it's over 3.37, but forgot to do math last night. I did some interesting calculation on probability of when the market is gonna went down last night. Too much math, so I didn't do a daily prediction on MMAT. Then yeah, and also I did some interesting market cap analysis on George stock, and also did some interesting market analysis on AR and VR. I think George might be wrong on this market, but hey, I'm not George, so. Oh, AEI is already up 2.03%. Out of boy, Charles, out of boy. But he only got $50 of that, so that's what? It got you $10. There you go. I'm happy. I got you $10 for lunch. Wait, where was I? Sorry, I'm dyslexic. I think so. We're meeting up at Mr. Cho's for lunch, and people want me to look at HMLP. Guys, you guys give me tickers, but you don't tell me what do they do. Like, what does HMLP do? What is this? Okay, I am good, but I'm that good. Okay, you gotta give me context. I can't just go look at all SEC filings. Wait, they have a Form 6K? What the? Commencing with distribution for the second quarter, payable on August 13th to common unit holder record as close of business on August 6th. Partnerships need to conserve its initial generated cash flow to resolve issues related to the ongoing refinancing of as described below. The partnership therefore expect to use its internally generated cash flow to reduce debt level and strengthen its balance sheet. There's no change to quarterly cash distribution related to partnership outstanding. Series A cumulative redeemable. Okay, the cash dividend blah 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 blah. So can you buy preferred share on this, or it's just only comments? The ongoing refinancing, which has been scheduled to close by the end of the second quarter, is not completed due to the failure by the charter. Oh, this is bad. Based on initial, which was originally expected to occur, we have commenced a discussion with key leaders. Expect the terms of any alternative refinancing. Ooh, this is bad. Okay, what do they even do? Can someone tell me what do they even do? Damn, chat is quiet. I mean, Charles is happy right now. Ooh. It might go back down to 2.19, huh? Interesting. Let's see how this goes. Interesting. Very interesting. Patience is key. Financial report acquisition statement. What did they do? The amendment is being filed. Don't be too happy. It's dropping right now. You probably won't day trade that $50 you own anyways, but yeah. I think only Aura can day trade right now. Everybody's just so tied up. Okay, who recommended this thing? I'm just reading to what do they even do? Like, before we do anything, we gotta make sure what do they even do? Are they like cross-listed? They have passive investors? What the heck? Or I'll stay away from this. It might be an interesting prospect though, but I will stay away from this. Cause where is what do they even do? Yeah, what do they even do? It's like a LP holding company? Like, what do they even do? He's like, I don't know. I just look at this shit and I'm like, oh no. So dividend got decreased because they're trying to do internal financing. But what do they do, guys? What is this thing? Like, what sector is even this thing? Bermuda? What? Wait, where is Bermuda? Damn, bro. Damn. This is a tax haven? What the heck? Bruh. Bruh. Also, it doesn't have any volume, huh? Let's look at this. P ratio pretty good. Let's just look at what sector is this thing? Like, can someone just tell me like what is this thing? Like, what exactly do they do? You know what? At our home. Floating storage and regasification units. What are those? A floating storage regasification unit is a vital component required while transferring liquefied natural gas or the ocean. Oh, what the heck? Okay, what is their primary partner right now? This is actually some good prospect. Let's look at this thing. Tax, nobody cares. Where are your corporate governance stuff? I don't care. Quarterly result. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh yeah, great. I just have to read a 6K again, huh? I fucking hate reading 6K. Sorry. They're oil and gas transport, so midstream. Yeah, I don't play with shipping. Only place I ever seem to lose cash. Floating storage unit. All right. And then the next thing I need you to understand is, can you trade options on this? You know what? Let's try it out. Let's try it out, okay? If you can trade option on this, this might actually be a pretty good thing. Let's look at this. Again, I'm not financial advisors. We're not financial advisors. We do not give financial advices, okay? But just there you go, quarterly report. Let's fucking go. Sorry, I can't curse. I guess if I wanna be monetized, I can't curse, huh? Okay. Are these in thousands? Yeah, 34 million total revenue, vessel operating expense. Why is it still not in GAAP? Oh, hey guys, this company actually make good money. Year to year also pretty good too. Look at this. Who found this? Who is the person who found this? Ozaki. Oh, look at you. Let's look at this thing. Okay, let's take a good firm look at that. Where is HMLP? Is that what it is? I might be a little bit late to enter right now. But you know what? Let's just, for shits and giggles, let's for shits and giggles, we use the Charles model. Let's just buy 10 shares and see what happens. Okay. That's the Charles model. That's the Charles model. Okay. The lunch money model. I hate it when my liquidity. I absolutely abhor it when my liquidity is tight. I can't make certain plays. You can literally do a option play that will probably get you. Let's see. What are the calculations here? This has a about 6% upside. This thing. But I think a upside we'll probably see in about, like, it's a monthly upside ish, because this is because people buy this stock for dividend upsides. Oh my god, this is absolutely ridiculous. This is absolutely ridiculous. Dude, does anyone actually read their 6K and understand why did they cut the dividends? Apparently not. So because apparently not, I'm assuming it's still gonna be profitable, and let's just use the Charles model. Charles model, right? If we use the Charles model, we deem to find dirt cheap stock and make gold on it. So if that's our objective, we might as well just buy 10 shares and just be fun with it. Have fun with it. Oh, Look at that. Ape community is pushing for 40 today. Let's see how well they're gonna do, huh? So if you tuned in earlier today, I'll talk about the 3771 support line. But I wrote too much charts, so only I can decipher this now. I doubt it. I really doubt it. There is a very strong resistance around 3866. I doubt it, guys. I doubt it. Oh, I forgot to look at chat. AVO, we take gold from third. I'm only holding MMAT. I mean, Orpha, when I have that huge run and held onto some shares through FDA decision, I wouldn't touch Orpha at all until closing to Q4. Hi, what's up, Christopher? My MMAT average is 9.75 of 976 shares. How many shares do I need roughly to average down to $5? Or maybe even $4? Are you playing options right now, Aura? Use a calculator for it, Rudra. Please look into EH, long-term bullish. Love the company concept. Interesting money-making opportunity, not a financial advice. Wait, what is EH? Ooh, Ape community is pushing again. You have coined a new term, the Charles model. Yeah, the Charles model. Like putting $60 into the DD Dirt Fund and then make you $10 in like 10-20 minutes or something like that, and then you could go buy lunch. The prospect of floating unit is not within its actual profitability within the sector itself. It's the potential to make joint ventures to do deep sea carbonation projects. So but that's just in a VC point of view here. Okay. I can't liquidate this, can't liquidate that. Ah, dang it. Life literally sucks right now. MMAT, why are you so stale? I am so sad for the price prospect. Oh, Dracula. A commercial drone taxi? Expanding to more countries as we speak. Ooh, sounds like a very interesting thing. Maybe we should look at it. HMLP is pretty cheap right now. It actually is. Consider its profitability. Wait a second. Let me actually do the calculation. HMLP, outstanding shares. Ooh, look at you, boy. Look at you, boy. Look at you. I love looking at juicy financial statements. What is it traded at? HMLP. Have fun, apes. Have fun, all the apes, boys. Under the sea, under the sea, under the sea, under the sea. There are so many dirt cheap stocks, and yet our liquidity are all tied up in MMAT under the sea. Hey guys, if you watch the EDU stock basket video, guess what? How much percentage you guys already made? Let's do a calculation. Oh wait, it's 20% on a day. And guess what? This is about, oh my god, that's a lot of money, isn't it? Let's take out our calculator. And for those of you who never watches these content that nobody watches, let's see how much money you actually made. 3.49 minus $2.4. And we have 1.09 divided by $2.4. Oh my god, you made about 45%. Dang! Oh shit! We do make dirt into gold, don't we, huh? They lost, not even gonna be hard to push it. No, HNLP, the reason why they lost 98% on their dividend for this quarter or for the coming quarter is because they have internal issues to sort out, but I don't think it's gonna really matter for their profitability as long as they're paying dividend anyways. But a lot of people are in it for dividend, that's why they pull out their capital. But in terms of short-term gain, you can probably get about 5 to 6% because tomorrow or the day after, when people actually look into this company, they will realize that hey, they're making 19 million. They have 33 million dollars outstanding. That means traded at 2.5x. 47, 33 divided by 33, 1.4, 1.4, that's profitability. 19, so we probably traded around with exponential growth. Let's see, what was the data? 19, that's 19. So let's give it a 2.5 earning multiple and then give it another 1.5 earning multiple on 2.5, 1.54, 4x, somewhere around that. Year to year is one. That year to year is about 5% increase. So 5% increase, 55% increase. So right now it's traded at what? HMPL, LP. 6.06. Oh, we actually made money on the day, boys. Times what was the multiplier I was saying? Sorry, I'm talking to myself right now. 6.86 times, I think 33, 226 multiplier. That will be usually trade on a 4-year basis, 56. 60/40. It's traded at a 30% premium in terms of value, in terms of actual value. But because natural gas is not going anywhere, our multiplier might be too low. So you're looking at a 5% sort of, just from today's dirt cheap price, around, if oil and gas, so if this thing keeps at 40, it's traded as a discount. So you will probably see a 5 to 9% upside in the coming months, depending on volume for this. You know what? I will put in 10 shares because I literally only have $70 right now because of MMAT. There's zero liquidity, and I don't want to liquidate any other positions. So yeah, I'll put in some just to make you feel better. You have coin, a new term, EH. Oh, this thing. Oh. Can I talk about this? Maybe I can't. Can I talk about this? Maybe I can't. Can I? Can I? Ooh, can I talk about this? Can I? I don't know if I can talk about this. Can I talk about this? Well, let me check if I can talk about this. Hey, thank you, Hadi, for a $2 donation. It's still gonna suffer from the tech sort of drawback, I guess. Can I talk about this? Fuck. I don't know if I can talk about this. Oh, thank you. Oh, feels so good. I don't think Super Chat. I don't think Super Chat is approved yet. I think we're doing this streaming thing too prematurely. All right, let's look at EH. Come on. That's a Canadian term, guys. The beaver term. Ooh, what the interesting. Is Super Chat working now? I don't know if Super Chat's working. All right. Oh, oofy. Interesting. Xu Xiaoping actually interesting. Ah, this is interesting. I only want to know is whether their IP is actually real or not. Is their IP real? Is their IP real though? Hey, what's up? Yeah, you missed out on two dirt sheep stock, but it's great. It's great. We have a lot of prospects. So right now I'm helping our I'm assuming Korean boy, Jinsen, doing some DD on Yihan, which is like they're like drone delivering, sort of like a drone company that does like air delivery. I can on top of my head I can think about actually two competitors that are doing this. And also I can think about some IP and regulatory problems. But let's just look at this for right now. Okay, Korean boy, are we holding this for long term or are we trying to do a short play? Dude, their website sucks. Dude, why is the board of directors so Asian, guys? Management. Only I can say that because I'm Asian. I have been looking at SPAC AHAC, growing blood vessel for transplant. Anyone else? Dude, don't establish too big of a position because anticipate it might drop another 5% tomorrow, but the probability is low. If it does, then you should average down a little bit. Long term, baby. Okay. Yeah, don't put too much skin in the game, boys. Like at this stage, especially Jerome haven't talked yet. His Brody move, Super Saiyan Brody, bro. Haven't gone to the point yet. Yunfu Production Facility. Investor Day, August 18. Oh, interesting. Maybe you will see a short-term catalyst on EH on August 18 right now. But I can't really determine whether it's cheap or not because I don't know where did they file their IP. You know what? I can find out actually. Stop. I also don't want to type in Spanish. Annual transition report. What the? Oh, fishy, 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 fishy. Very fishy there. Very fishy. Who invested in this thing? Oh, this is not good. Cost of revenue is way too high there. Way too high. Way too high. Very, very high. Oh, never mind. 2019. All of these are so Fs right now. Let's see. 2020. So 8 times 6.45, 11 half. You want to see this number to be less than you want to see their margin grow significantly, so their cost of goods sold actually should be around less than 30% for this if it works. R&D expense. I want to see this. Oh, let's see. Wait, what? 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 Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait, what? What? Company holding patents or other intellectual property rights may bring lawsuit allegation infringement of such rights by us or otherwise assert their rights against us. Moreover, our applications and the use of trademarks relating to our design software or artificial intelligence could be found to infringe upon existing trademark ownership and rights. Massive red flag right here. You're beautiful. You're beautiful, aren't you? You mean Super Saiyan Broly? Yeah. Super Saiyan Broly. But I always call Broly Broly though. We may also fail to apply for key trademark in timely manner. Massively red flag. For example, we discovered some preceding registration by several other Chinese companies of the trademark. Oh, that makes sense. Because, hey, it's pretty toxic in terms of intellectual property in China. I didn't say that. Someone scraped that from this chat. Please, I don't want to get flagged and got killed by Homeland Security in China, which fall into the same class products of remote aerial, blah, 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 blah. Damn. Is gonna face intellectual property challenge in the future. That is like $1 million lawsuit right there. Oh my god. This is bad, guys. This is bad. As of March 2021, as of March 2021, we had 180 issued patents, 121 pending patents. So that's not gonna be out in half a year. Let's see. So they own 61 patents currently in China. But everything is in China. We can assume that our pending patent application will be granted. Even if our applications are successful, patents may be contested. Oof, big red flag. But you still can trade it for day trading too. You know, I'll go ask some people about this company actually. I know people who work in this space. Ooh, massive red flag right here. Massive red flag. A verdict flying off, but who filed this? What's the granting date? Foreign application data. Oh, they're trying to do a joint. They're trying to do a joint. Oh, never mind. Venture Limited. Oh, this is pretty bad. This is pretty bad. Oh no. Oh no. They don't have any regulatory protection. Oof. This is sad. This is very sad. Very sad. Anyways, let's go back to MMAT. Hey, 4% increase. Let's see if it can get to 3.5. When SingStar live stream. Not sure if I'm gonna. Are we singing today? You mean Super Saiyan Broly? A beautiful place with lovely people. 200 around. My calculation is correct. When SingStar live stream? I don't know. I can sing some song. What do you guys want to hear? Yeah, the only problem they have is even Uber have patents. They don't have any patents in the US. So, and as far as I know, probably need to do some further DD on EH in terms of the regulatory situation with flying vehicles, especially in Beijing. It's heavily restricted. So his principal business is not going to be on, there are 4 major cities that you cannot make business. You got the James Blunt song going before. You're beautiful, out you. Let me actually look at this. Super chat. Yep, there goes the VIX. I guess everybody's pretty positive today, huh? For those of you who are wondering why am I using this app, is because Thinkorswim have a 20-minute delay actually, because we actually don't really have a TD Ameritrade on actively trading account. You need to have an actively trading account to have that. Oh, oof! This is pretty hectic right now for MMAT. Pretty hectic. It needs to be at 5.28 to really see a huge pull up, really. And 3.5 is the price line that we want to battle by the end of this week. But hey, it's green, so we should be happy, shall we? By Christmas 2021? Christmas 2021. How long is that? How long do we have until Christmas? I think the market thinks it's gonna be around. I can actually see. Lunchtime, I'll be back. Need to spend those AI profits on food. Well, now I think it's a loss right now. So right now the AEI is around. Let's see. Now Philly. Now Charles and I lost about like 1 cent right now on AEI. Or did we? Wait a second. What's our buying point right now? Let's see. Yeah, so now we're off 1.11% now. So I guess this is a day trade sort of thing, but it is dirt cheap, guys. It's actually dirt cheap at this point. Dirt cheap stock. Dirt cheap. Dirt cheap. But the probability of it going lower than 2.19, yeah, it has a low probability, but it's pretty low. MMAT. It's like MMAT is getting strangled. It's getting strangled by the fact that there's not enough volume. Like, look at this. It's getting strangled due to there's not enough volume. It is cheap, but there's not enough volume. And the outstanding share is too much. 268 million is too much right now for this stock in particular. I think, in my personal opinion, I think outstanding share is too much. And also, I don't know what George's capital management is at right now, but if he does a buyback, it's actually a pretty good deal for himself. But I don't think if he's gonna do it though, because George is George. George sometimes oof, this is also a good one. There's so much liquidity just tied up. So sad. So sad. So sad. Should I also get lunch? Or should I see you guys in 2 hours? I'll see you guys in 2 hours because Jerome's talking 2 hours. I mean at 2.22. It's at 2.21 right now. AEI. You see? It might drop to 219 again. If it drops to 219, I'm gonna buy some. It's right now it's just battling right now. They're cheap stock. Dirt cheap stock have a 9% upside. Blah blah blah. Also, Charles, don't get too greedy, okay? Even though you only spent $50 in this, but still, don't get too greedy. Don't get too greedy. How do you deal with it when all your money is tied up in a certain stock and all those other places are cheap? Does it make you want to sell? Depending on how much loss you have, right now we are operating at a 50% loss, so it's pretty bad. Okay, let's just be honest, it's pretty bad. But you can always free up some liquidity by sometimes. Ooh, someone's doing a card play right now outside. Sorry, I get distracted. I have ADHD. But you can literally like selling calls or utilizing other things to free up a little bit of liquidity, and you see a bunch of cheap stock, and you just make some quick profit, I guess. And I don't. It's a pretty sad story at this point because things are tied up in George stock. I think I will see you guys in the afternoon. I gotta go get something to eat because I'm hungry. I'll see you guys later. Maybe George is holding us hostage and I like it. Ew, gross, dude. Gross. We got some kinky stuff going on here. Alright, I'll see you guys in 2 hours. I gotta go get something to eat, and then we're gonna live stream Jerome's talk, and we make some analysis on top of it. We might be even be able to make some money off of it. Because a lot of times when Jerome speaks, it's either Thanos snap or it's gonna be some really good stuff. And some people don't pick it up. And a lot of mainstream people, they're too conservative on their understanding of what Jerome is really saying. Alright, I'll see you guys in 2 hours.